Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video, we will talk about how you can potentially build some passive income using Bitopex and using their innovative crypto options trading strategies that were able to generate up to 15% per month. And before we start, I would like to talk about the company Bitopex and the founder and CEO of Bitopex. So his name is Sven Möller. He is a German individual and he has a very strong record in multiple industries. So he's been working in the blockchain space, in the trading space, and in the digital and technology driven environment. So he worked for companies like Ernst& Young, and this is one of the top 5 auditing firms in the world. He also founded a company called Swisscom Blockchain in Zurich as well. So, and he has been an entrepreneur for many years, traveling through South Korea, China, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, and so on. So on this page, you can see what kind of connections he was able to build over his time as an entrepreneur and a founder, right? So he has connections, as you can see, with the Neo Foundation. He even met Vitalik Buterin in Kiev, as you can see here in the middle, and he was able to meet CZ, the founder of Binance. So as you can see, a lot of experience in the tech space, but also a lot of connections in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. So I mentioned crypto options, and it sounds complicated, but we will break it down in a few moments. So there are 3 different types of trading strategies or trading types. So the first one is spot trading. Very easy to understand. You just buy low and you sell high, right? So you can only go long. So you just bet on the price increase. That's the only dimension you have. With the futures trading, you have 2 dimensions. You can go long, but you can also go short. So you can basically bet on an asset to decrease in value, right? So this is called shorting. And typically in futures trading, you have leverage. So if you trade with a leverage of 10, for example, your asset will grow 10 times higher, which is cool if the asset goes up and you have a long, but if the asset goes down, it will decrease 10 times faster, right? So that's the disadvantage. And typically, if your asset is uh, decreasing below the collateral that you have provided, you will have to add margin. So you will get a margin call, right? So that's the downside of futures trading. Options trading is where a third dimension kicks in, which is time. So you can also go long and short, but you can also add a specific time. So you can say today Bitcoin is 58,000 and in a week from now it will be 65,000. This is your bet, right? And if that bet uh, will kick in, will come true, you will make money, right? And also equally, you can do the opposite thing. You can say Bitcoin will be 50,000 in a week from now, so you are entering a short, right? Which is called a call put. But we will break it down in a few moments. The difference between call put and long put and so on. So there is no leverage involved, which is which is a big advantage, right? And there is the downside is hedged pretty much depending on what trade you are entering, right? So the upside can be unlimited, but the downside is hedged, is limited, right? So this is the big advantage of options trading, and the options market is pretty much in its infancy because it's a very small volume compared to futures, as you can see on the right hand chart, right? So the futures volume on Bitcoin is crazy. It's almost 8 billion, and the options market is still very low. However, it is growing at a very high pace. The 1 year growth in Bitcoin options is 567%. So let's break down the different trading types as far as options are concerned. So there are call options and there are put options. So call is going long and put is going short, right? So one is betting on the increase and one on the decrease of the price. So you can buy a call option, but you can also sell a call option. So if you buy a call option, you basically bet on the increase of the price. So in this particular example, Bitcoin is at 30,000 and the strike price, this is your bet price. This is where you bet the price will be, right? In a day, in a week, in a month. The strike price is 35,000. So if that strike price will be true in a week from now, you will make $5,000, right? But if you sell a call option, you basically are saying the price will not be at 35,000, right? So you make a call option which is saying the price will not go to 35,000, and in that case, let's say you pay a $500 to enter the trade. This is called premium. So and if the price will remain at 30,000, you will keep your 500, right? But if the price will go to 35, you will lose the difference, right, between the 30,000 and the 35,000, right? So this is basically betting on the price not to increase to a specific price, okay? So put options, this is where you bet on the decrease of a price. So in this example here, Ethereum is now at 2000 and you bet that it will drop to 1500. So if it happens, you get 500 in profit, right? If you sell a put option, you basically say that the price will stay at 2000. It will not go to 1500, right? So if you pay a premium of $200, you basically keep the premium if Ethereum stays where it is, right? But if it goes to 1500, you still keep the premium, but you lose the difference, right? The 500. So this is how call and put options work, and it might sound very complicated if you hear it the first time, but if you enter Bitopex and see this interface, it will be crystal clear to you. So it's very easy to enter a trade on this platform. Unlike other trading platforms like Deribit, for example, the Bitopex interface is very, very easy to use. So you can do a call or a put, and you can switch between buy and sell, right? So it's very, very convenient. So, but in case you are not familiar with options trading and you are still in the learning process, you can use so-called income products. If you log in into your Bitopex account, you will see those different predefined, I call them one-click trades. So you can basically just click on this trade that is marked here, Ethereum. So the target price for the 27th of September, 2,900. If that will come true, right, you will get 19.8% profit based on what you have paid for the premium, based on what you have paid to enter the trade, right? So it's predefined trades for you, just one click and you're in, right? So if this still looks complicated for you, I would recommend you guys join copy trading, right? Because Bitopex features a copy trading product with two different strategies. And this is absolutely hands-free. All you have to do is replenish your account with USDT or USDC and then just copy one of those trading strategies, right? And I would like to draw your attention to the strategy on the right hand side, which is the zero TDE strategy. And that strategy was able to generate 11% in June, 14% in July, 7.4% in August, and now in September we are already at 4.7, and today is September the 17th. So there is still 2 weeks to go, which potentially can make September go to 8, 9, maybe 10%. So, and this is absolutely hands-free, everybody. Um, as you can see, the assets under management is already approaching 200,000, and this platform just launched, or this strategy is just launched in May. So you see there is a lot of momentum coming, a lot of momentum is being created. So, and to join this trading strategy, you just have to sign up with Bitopex, and you will find all the instructions below the video. You will also find a link to a Telegram group, Telegram channel, where you will find all the information related to Bitopex and the copy trading product. So signing up is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You just click on your registration link, you go to the top right, and then you click register, create your account, and then you go to deposit. You send USDT or USDC on 3 different networks: Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Tron. And then you just navigate to copy trading, and you copy the zero TDE strategy. Very easy, very convenient, and you just start enjoying your passive income. So again, find all the links down below. Join Bitopex, join copy trading, and enjoy your profits. See you soon.